This 5-minute solution will show you how to transfer data from Android to iPhone. So if you have audios or videos or photos that you want to share to an iPhone, follow these easy steps to share your data from Android to iPhone without downloading any app. First of all, on your Android and iOS device, open a browser. And here you have to open this website pairdrop.net. Also on your iPhone, open the same website pairdrop.net and make sure your iPhone and Android device connected to a same Wi-Fi. And now on your Android device, here you will get your iOS phone. Click on it and now select an option to send or transfer data. I'm selecting media, and here you can select audio, images, video. So I'm selecting here gallery and selecting this photo to transfer and clicking on done. And on my iPhone, clicking on accept to accept the photo. And now on iPhone, click on download and go to your file manager. Go to the download directory or folder, and as you can see, the photo has been downloaded. And to save this photo to your Photos app, tap on share and tap on save image. And this is how you will be able to transfer any photo, video, audio from your Android to an iPhone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.